about it, and nobody, you did not hear them by somebody to tell you that their hands are, will be scratching them to pull trigger when Igbo people are involved. On an attempt to get Igbo, they will get other people. Then it becomes a national topic. Oh, how can a policeman buy innocent protesters? Oh, how can a policeman throw tear gas? Oh, but the protest was in the north. They committed everything that they dare not try to do in the south. No tear gas, no buying of anybody. Maybe if I'm wrong, please correct me. Maybe there's any way somebody acquired, but this is my own little way of following what happened. I did not see any report that they buy somebody, and that is for another them. Now let us remember we are playing this Ghanaian broadcaster. Let us complete it.
Employment rate was over 39% of the capable workforce until last year, when the new administration by Tinubu had to revise the method for calculating to reduce it to now 5.3%. Whether that is accurate or not, the reality of the people hasn't changed.
Okay, my brother Anthony, good night to you. See you again. Bye for now. Thank you.
That's a huge problem. Ghana and every other country for that matter have our own problems to deal with. But at least not with the numbers Nigeria comes with. The very fact that these two situations I've just described has a direct impact on all neighboring countries is what has triggered me to do this video. Because the rise and success of Nigeria is in the interest of all African countries. In the same way, the fall and demise of Nigeria is detrimental to all African countries, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, whether it offends your pride as a successful Nigerian who doesn't like your country being talked about in a negative light or not, that's not only up to them or you to determine what others may say, because once there is a problem in your country, everyone will feel the impact. Just like it said, when Nigeria sneezes, every African country catches cold. Folks, I want to read your opinion on this matter without insult. So let's hear from you. And folks, I want to read.
Okay, that's the end of the video. I love what he said. He said that it's not in your condition to. You're not the only one to tell people what to do, how you feel. That thing that you're doing also affects us. So I have a right to talk about it. It's not like when I said that some of them say, "Oh, you are supporting Fulani." I told them, if you don't want me to add my own voice to what you guys are saying, lying against people, then make sure that you cut off my father's land from Biafra. Since you don't, because as long as my territory is a part of it, I have every right to air my own opinion, not to command anybody. But some people don't like truth. Even though you don't have any impact, or not impact, any control of anything, you just add your own opinion. They don't feel comfortable. Let me read a poll from Blessing Jamina. Said, so the Fulani strike. So the Fulani strike, where we were well programmed, and they were underestimated and also loved by other tribes, without knowing that there are big pythons and vipers because of their nomadic life. True. Anthony Mede said, okay, I think I've gone through. And Amadi Chigoze, our brother, is here. Dewokai, thank you so much, my brother, to join us. And please do me a favor by clicking on the like button. We are almost at the end of the broadcast, so some of you will go back to sleep. I'm sorry for keeping you this late, but we have to do that because we are trying to activate our broadcast here on the platform. Hopefully, we have the strength to continue this way. I have a few other things to share with us, so that you can understand what the future holds for you. And I would like to play this from Asna Modicano. This is one of when he was having question and answer. This happened back then, and I would like you to listen.
You can never ever stop a black African man.
Okay, let me.
Can never.
Let us start from the beginning.